backyard is a mess, but that's not what we're back here to look at. We're back here to look at this amazing, let me say again, amazing color. Wow. This is just like crazy color back here. Unlike my front yard, which is definitely going to sleep, this back is looking good. Let me turn. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the camera around so you can get a better view. You don't need to look at me. I want you to see the grass. Man, my backyard absolutely loves this HyR Brix fertilizer. You'll notice the nice deep green throughout the entire backyard. Seeing this kind of color hanging around at the end of November is super exciting. It's kicking back here.